In this video, we're going to be learning how to set up the proxy of Burp in our Mozilla Firefox. So after starting Burp Suite, first go to the Proxy tab. Under the Proxy tab, click on Proxy Settings, and here under Proxy Listeners, you'll see the IP and the port. Note this down. Next, open up your Firefox. On the extreme right, click here and click on Settings. In this page, scroll to the bottom and you'll see Network Settings. Click on Settings and choose Manual Proxy Configuration. For the HTTP proxy, first type your IP address, which we saw was 127.0.0.1 and the port is 8080. Checkmark this box and click on OK. Next, if I go to any website, I can see we get this error. So we need to import our certificate. So I'll open another tab and type http://burp and click on this button, see a certificate, and it will be downloaded in your downloads directory. Next, we need to import this certificate. So again, in the Settings tab, search for Certificates and click on View Certificates. Under Authorities, click on Import and select the file that you downloaded and click on Open. Checkmark these two boxes and click on OK. Click on OK again, and now we're all done. If I go to any website, I can see my request passes through. Now let's intercept this request. In my Burp Suite, I'll turn the intercept on, and if I refresh this page, I can see we captured the request. And if you want to capture the request of your localhost traffic, Burp Suite will not do it by default. We need to make another configuration to our browser. So I'll open another tab, type about:config, click on accept the risk and continue, and search for network.proxy.allow hijacking localhost. This will be turned to false. So click on this button and it will be turned to true. Now if I capture the request of my localhost, I can see we can capture it. So that is for the end of the video. If you want to watch more Kali Linux content, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.